How to install ChatGPT-4 plugins new. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I bring you back with yet another topic, and in this video we're going to be talking about GPT-4 and its plugins and how you're going to basically install them for yourself. Now GPT-4 plugins are basically new and they're not accessible to everyone, so this might not be available for you because you have to join the plugins waitlist. So GPT plugins, they've implemented initial support for plugins in ChatGPT, and they're designed specifically for different language models, run computation, etc. So all you're going to do is you're going to come here and join the waitlist of ChatGPT, and they're going to allow the plugins in a few months for everyone, but you can be in the wait list for early people. So you can read about the plugins as well because they have different limitations in them, and these are the plugins that can potentially be added, like Zapier, Milo Family AI, Speak, Klarna. So everything could be used for separate measures and reasons as well. So yeah, just come to open.ai.com/blog/chatgpt-plugins, and you're going to be able to make yourself come in the waitlist of installing plugins. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.